Good morning. My name is Justin Danhof. I'm representing the National Center for Public Policy Research. We're a free market think tank and a company shareholder. Mr. Moynihan, it's been reported that Bank of America decided not to renew its membership in the American Legislative Exchange Council, that's known as ALEC, in 2013 due to, quote, budget constraints. This decision was made after a concerted effort by radical organizations such as Color of Change, the Occupy Wall Street movement, and Greenpeace that sought to defund ALEC by intimidating its corporate members. Spreading propaganda and lies about ALEC's work, these organizations claim that ALEC's work to promote state-level voter ID laws was somehow a racist attempt to suppress voters. They then used those falsehoods to make continued corporate membership in ALEC uncomfortable. ALEC stopped working on voter ID months before you dropped your membership, but my organization has picked up the slack and we're not going to be silenced. By the way, voter ID laws enjoy wide public support, polling consistently above 70% approval, and approval for these laws is nearly universal, as a majority of Republicans, Democrats, Independents, African Americans, Hispanics, young, old, men, and women all support voter ID laws. When Bank of America worked with ALEC as a member of its Commerce, Insurance, and Economic Development Task Force, it helped to advance freedom and prosperity for all Americans. By siding with the radicals at Color of Change and Occupy, you have given our company's corporate clout to extremists to demonize conservative and free market causes. First, can you explain how efforts to advance free market capitalism, an economic system that has lifted more people out of poverty than any in world history, was somehow chopped due to budget constraints, yet the company is committed to now $70 billion to provide financing for environmentally friendly projects? And would you give your rationale for deciding to award $100 million in grants, i.e. free shareholder money, to groups that promote avoiding fossil fuels in the name of fighting global warming, even though the global warming theory scientists admit that no temperature increase has happened in the past 17 years? And can you provide a list of organizations that get that money? Thank you.
I think in terms of the decisions we make them in the best interest of all the communities we serve, customers and clients, what they need us to do, the teammates that work here, the shareholders, and then the communities we serve. So we balance all that in everything we do. And you'll find that we're members of organizations and not members of other organizations based on that. So, sir, each one of those specific things, we can follow up with you specifics if the team wants to do that. But from a general standpoint, we make the decision based on all the criteria we should. 44.